madness round. Yeah. Oh. Four. Good. Mommy's four. Ha. Let's get a red. Okay, you want to crack the eggs? Bugs? Yeah, baby. Okay, let's take this. Oh, it's okay. Grab it and pull. Yeah, go. Go. Yes, it's okay. Got a little bit. One more, okay? We can get it out with her nails. The egg, wait. Okay? Two hands. Two hands. Pull. Yeah. Good job. The hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands. This one works. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Okay, next we gotta add some milk, okay? Yes, with some milk. Just a little bit. No, not the unicorn. We're not making magic breakfast. We're making magic breakfast. Where is the mommy cinnamon? Cinnamon. Take the unicorn out. Now she gotta take a bath. Get the baby her fork. Yes, mama. Put a little bit of cinnamon. Yeah, go, go, go. Go. Get like this. Woohoo! Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Yay! Go, Bubba. Go, Buggy. Go, 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 go. Whisk it, mama. Whisk it. Put the stove on. Start melting our butter. So proud of you. Good job. So I figured if she helps make her breakfast, she'll have more fun eating it. So while she does her eggs, I will do the pan. And then we will do the bread. Good job. You want to show Madness fam? Go, Buggies. She's doing a fantastic mixing job. My little mixer helper. Oh, yeah, you're doing so good. You're so good. Prop you guys back up. Oh, I hate this. I gotta get a new mount. Let me help you? So the butter melts? No, that's the butter. That's the butter. Here, it's yours. Yes! Woohoo! Do you like mixing? Mix, go, Buggy, go, Buggy. You're doing such a good job. Yeah, get it. Achoo. Achoo. All done? Put your fork over there. Let's get the bread. You gonna make some more? No. Here, bread. Do this one. Put it in. Yeah. Put it in. Yeah. Dip it. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Good job. And then we got flip. Poke. Wow. Yay. Wow. So good. This one? Wow. Poke. Wow. Yay. And flip. Whoa. Is that a little... Okay. Look. Wow. Can we do one more? You think we could do one more egg, one more French toast? And this one. Wow. Oh, good sneeze. Bless you. Poke. Wow. Is it done? You got it? This one needs a little bit more. Gotta rinse your hand. Okay. Rinse. You want to show Madness Fam again? Okay. Clean. Now we gotta rinse. Put the ball inside too, okay? You gotta wash the bowl. Good job, remember? Good job. Like this. Hot, okay? So you gotta be careful. Flip yours. Ready? Let me help you. Okay, and then you flip. Yeah! You did it! Okay, next. This one or this one? Hot? Okay. I do it? Hot. And flip. Wow. Yeah, hot. Flip. Wow. Want to see the Madness Fam? Yeah, they're right here. Say hi, Madness Fam. You blowing the hot. Say Madness Fam. Hot. Hot baby. Hi guys. Say hi. Say we making French toast for breakfast. You don't gotta show them the bread. It's okay. They saw you. Flip. You want to flip? Okay, you want to do it? Okay. And flip. Woohoo! Good job. Do this one. Okay, ready? gotta cook hot. You show the man this, Pam? Hot. Hot. Wow, hot. French toast sticks, okay? You want to use green, okay? Like this side. You can play with this side for now, okay? And then mommy gotta use it. But it's green. Okay, get your spatula. Your spatula. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Woohoo! Don't drop your French toast. Put this down. I'm gonna get a knife, okay? Oh, hot. Hot. Hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's your knife, and then here's mommy's knife. Okay, it's beautiful. So let's spread them out. They're hot, hot, hot. Cut this one. Come, I'm gonna help you. Yes. Which hand you wanna hold it? Hold it. Hold this hand. And then we're gonna, yep, hold it. Hold it. And we're gonna cut. Let me help you here. Hold it. I got you. Here. And then we're gonna, yep. And then we're gonna push. Yeah. Push. Whoa. Whoa. Isn't that nice? Here, do another one. Push. Wait, there's something there. Whoa. Down. Yeah. See, and put it in your bowl. Wow. And go down. Down. Cool. See? Doing such a good job. You want to do it? Let me help you. Good job. Down. And pull. Almost. It's okay. Down. Yes. Oh, wait. This one's too big. One more. Down. Pull it. Whoa. Let me help you. Yay! Wait, not this one. This is mommy's. Yes. Babies. Coffee. Bears. Go Bears! She is watching PBS Kids while she enjoys her French toast sticks. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can comment anything you want, but make sure you comment a squirrel and a heart because that's our thing.